Okay, here's a little more about this dress. This dress was about 3 inches too big in the around, and so rather than go into the sides, which which would have been really hard if you think about where the seams are and with all the lace and everything. We actually pinned up the back, and I managed to be able to pull the zipper closer in. And so what I did was I took the zipper out of the edge where it was. I moved it where we pinned it, and I stitched it, and I did not, because this dress is so full, I did not interrupt it past about maybe 3 inches above the bottom of the zipper, because I knew that that was going to be a little tricky. So I took out all of the lining all the way down, but I did not take out past about 3 inches above the bottom of the zipper. And now I want you to see when I get this done. I basted it first, checked it out, and of course there's a little bit of lace beading at the waistline. That's going to have to be done by hand, but I just want you to see that the zipper ends up to be really nice and smooth and nice, close. I think I've got a piece of thread caught as I'm going up it. Yeah. I don't know where that thread's coming from, but before I cut it, I want to be sure that I can zip it up. She's not going to have any problem zipping it up. Okay, so now what's happened is all of that will flow, the bottom will flow in to, it's almost like it was a dart that I took in the zipper. So if you, and then what's going to happen is, up here I am going to have to, whoops, that kind of got stuck underneath. I'm going to have to come up here, put a hook and eye above that, because I took it up so much that it's going to end up having to be closed. We don't want a gap up there. So I'm going to put a thread loop right here and a hook and eye, a hook on the side, and then I think she's going to be good. And then I will redo this, turn this down. I had to take some of these beads out, and I will have to kind of strengthen the beads up to that point, and then that'll look just fine.